The story of Buddha, the burden of the mind. Once upon a time, Buddha was walking with a disciple. They had both taken celibacy vows. They vowed not to marry or to be in the company of female friends. They were not allowed to even talk to women. They had decided that this was the path to God. They wanted to focus on enlightenment. The disciple and Buddha were traveling from one village to the other, through a dense forest filled with animals and birds. Buddha was explaining to the disciple the purpose and meaning of life. They came across a river. The river was deep and the currents were fast. The Buddha and the disciple were very strong swimmers and decided they could swim across to the other side of the riverbank. Just as they were about to enter the river, a young woman came running and pleaded for help in crossing the river. The Buddha, without a moment of hesitation, took the lady on his back and swam across the river. The lady thanked them and left. The disciple and the Buddha walked in silence for a long time after that. They reached the village they had set out for, and were about to retire for the day, when finally the disciple asked him the question that had been bugging him for the entire time during the walk from the river to the village. "Oh, great Buddha, I don't mean to be impertinent, but a question has been at the back of my head for a long time. We have taken celibacy vows, and yet you took the lady with you in the river. Isn't it against our principles?" The Buddha laughed and explained, "Son, I left the lady at the bank when I helped a fellow human in need. You are the one who is carrying her in your head." The disciple finally realized that it wasn't the exact words of the vow that matter, but the spirit, and that our thoughts are a bigger burden than any other physical burden we may have.